Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So we are here to show you some beautiful hairstyling patterns. So here we have made a crisscross bun like this. Make a pleat like this and then roll your hair from the other side to the another side, and this is going to give you a beautiful look. Now tie your hair in this way, make a bow like pattern and here's to the end. Now what are we going to do? Make a crisscross pattern like this and a bow like shape in the middle. Isn't it looking pretty? Again, twist your hair in this way to the side and then roll it into the form of a bun and secure with the clutches. Make a ponytail like this, and then by doing partitions, make a beautiful roll out bun in this way. Now take a spoon and let's see what are we going to make now. Make crisscross patterns in this way by putting spoon in between and here's to the end. Now roll it into the form of a bun and it is looking pretty amazing. Now take some partitions of hair, roll your hair in this way, twisting it back and forth, and this is the result. Now tie a knot in your hair and you will get a beautiful lovely result. Now with the help of this, you can make a lovely beautiful pattern in this way, and by crisscrossing your hair and twisting it back and forth, and here's to the thick bun you will get. Now roll your hair using a stick like this and just roll it and put the stick in between, and this is the result. Now what are we going to do? Put the stick in between, make a roll out pattern in this way, roll your hair and tie your knots in this way, and this is the result. Isn't it looking pretty? Now take two partitions from either side, twist your hair in this way and you will get a beautiful lovely result. Now what are we going to do? Make a beautiful bun like this that will give your hair a bouncy look. Isn't it looking super pretty? Now what are we going to do? Let's see, we have beautiful bun, a messy bun, and then twisting the hair back and forth and rolling it in this way and securing with the help of clutches. Make a ponytail like this, and then with the hair you have to make these pleats by making a zigzag pattern in this way. Twist your hair in this way and make a bun out of it and secure with the help of a beautiful stick. Now take some glittery thin sheets like this, and then you have to roll your hair in this way, and using the ribbons you have to make it look in this way. Roll your hair from to the upper side, and with the extra hair you have to pin it up, and then this is gonna look super amazing. Now put the stick in between of the ponytail and then interlock your hair in this way, making some zigzag patterns, and let's see what end result are we going to get. This is a thick braid like you are going to enjoy. Now something amazing and beautiful. This is it again. We have taken a circular bun and this is a bouncy shape. Isn't it looking pretty? Now take a big rubber band, a black one like this, and secure your hair in this way, roll it into the form of a bun, and this is it. Again make a beautiful bun like this, and with the extra hair left behind, roll it into the form of a bun and secure with the help of your clutches. Isn't it super pretty? Proceeding further in the video, make a ponytail and then by crisscrossing your hair, make a beautiful braid like this, a short one, and then secure and convert it into the form of a bun. Roll it and secure with the help of your clutches. Isn't it looking simply amazing? Aren't you excited to try them? Put a pen in between and we're going to do twist your hair in this way and keep on twisting in this way, and let's see what result are we going to get. By taking partitions in the hair, you have to take it like this and then secure. Now open it